Frank, story hizi na mtu mmoja. Frank.
Kitu baya.
We've gotten commitment from the contractor and the consultant that this project, which is about 76% complete at a cost of 15.6 billion shillings, they will be able to meet the timelines that we have set, because we need power, we need it urgently, and we are committed. But we also want to assure the country that yes, with coming of this power plant, we have another 70 that is coming in Menengai, that our energy generation is safe, and our demand versus our supply is also safe.